Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Every compound has its own chemical property. That means carbon compound has also its own chemical property. So first chemical property is combustion. So what is combustion? Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts rapidly with oxygen. It's also known as burning. तो इसमें जो सब्सटेंस होता है वो ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्ट करता है और हीट और लाइट प्रोड्यूस करता है. Combustion reaction involve the oxidation of a fuel. And this oxidation takes place in the presence of oxygen. So carbon in the presence of air reacts with oxygen and produces carbon dioxide and heat or light is released. So this whole reaction is called as combustion. So combustion reactions are producing energy in the form of heat and light. That's why they are called as exothermic reactions. But why does the energy release? This energy release is due to the breaking of chemical bonds in the fuel molecules and the formation of new bonds in the combustion products. For example, the combustion of methane CH4, which is the primary component of natural gas, can be represented by the equation CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus energy. And this is the combustion process of alcohol. CH3CH2OH plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O plus heat and light. We all know that in natural gas, methane is present. Combustion of methane gas produces CO2 and energy. The heat energy released during combustion process can be used for various purposes such as heating, cooking, or powering engines. क्या आपने किसी भी कार्बन कंपाउंड को बर्न किया है? तो चलो आज एक कार्बन कंपाउंड को बर्न करके देखते हैं. For example, camphor. So here we burn the camphor and observing the nature of the flame. Is smoke produced? Yes. So if we put a metal plate above the flame, can you observe some deposition here? The deposition is very less. This is because the camphor burns completely. But if we burn the naphthalene, when we burn naphthalene on a spatula, it undergoes combustion. The flame produced is bright yellow and relatively sooty. Naphthalene combustion produces smoke, which is visible as a dark plum rising from the burning compound. When we place a metal plate above the flame, we can observe a black residue on the plate due to the incomplete combustion of naphthalene. What happens when we burn alcohol? So alcohol or ethanol is a volatile liquid compound. When we burn alcohol on a spatula, it also undergoes combustion. The flame produced is a pale blue flame that is relatively clean and smoke-free. Alcohol combustion typically does not generate significant smoke. And when we place a metal plate above the flame, there is no noticeable deposition on the plate since alcohol combustion results in minimal soot production.